We had information that he was a pretty large man, but we didn't realize how big he was until we got in the house. When we were able to, I guess when I say large, I'm upwards of 500 to 600 pounds.
If you can't get the defendant to court, the court will go to the defendant. That's what happened today when a 600-pound convicted drug dealer was sentenced. Local 12's Angela Ingram shows us how police say Kirk Smith was a menace in his neighborhood.
An ambulance pulled up to the loading area of the Hamilton County Courthouse. Inside, 42-year-old Kirk Smith. Court had to come outside to him, and that's where Smith was sentenced for trafficking in cocaine, weapons under disability, and other drug charges.
We received a Crimestoppers tip and some input from the community that an individual up on Rosewood and Hartwell, the activity was consistent with drug trafficking.
Cincinnati police got information that Smith was running a drug ring. This is an older mugshot of him from 2009. When officers raided the house, they found surveillance cameras, drugs, and guns. They read him his rights, but they could not physically arrest him.
It was pretty obvious that there were people running for him because he's so large. Like, as I mentioned, 600-700 pounds, he wasn't able to move around freely. So it made it kind of tough on us to maneuver or possibly even get him out of the house that particular day. In fact, it was impossible.
The ambulance took Smith from the courthouse directly to prison. He was sentenced to 2 years behind bars. Police are hoping the conviction gives neighbors back their peace of mind.
It was pretty evident and obvious to the people that live up there that they want what we all want, and that's they don't want the activity, they don't want the violence that's associated with the drug sales. They just want a quiet neighborhood, just like we all do.
While Smith did plead guilty to the charges, his family says he is still a father, he is a family man, and their priority is his children. At the Hamilton County Courthouse, Angela Ingram, Local 12 News.
And no word on what Ohio prison could handle a man of that size. Smith's co-conspirator, Isaac Collins, was convicted of trafficking marijuana.